Hello, good morning, Jai Hind बच्चों. Today we are going to discuss some special transactions of journal entry. In the previous session, we had completed the normal entries of journal as well as the discount, cash discount and trade discount entries, how we will take the place in the case of trade discount, how the transaction will take place in the case of trade discount and cash discount. Already we discussed. We discussed in the previous video the bad debts and bad debts recovered meaning and the treatment in journal. Today we are going to discuss the entries related with the drawing, charity, given as free sample, loss by fire, theft, these all. But before that, let's have a meaning of one word, goods. So what do you think about the word goods? What is the meaning of goods? Tell me in the comment box. Tell me in the comment box what is the meaning of goods according to you. Okay, so the word goods. What is the meaning of this? Very simple. An article in which the business is dealing is known as goods. Okay, like for a furniture shop, what will be the goods? Furnitures. For a medical store, what will be the goods? Medicine. For a TV showroom, what will be the goods? Television. For an electronic showroom, what will be the goods? Electronic items. Mean to say, it is a very simple content beta. In the article in which the business is dealing, business is doing purchasing, selling or manufacturing, that will be considered as goods for the business. So when we purchase goods, what entry we will pass? Purchase account debit. Similarly, when we sell the goods, we make it sales in the credit side in journal entry to sales account. But sometime in purchase goods are coming and in sales goods are going out from the business. Sorry. This is clear. What is the meaning of goods? An article in which the business is dealing. What is the meaning of when we purchase the goods? Which account open? Purchase account debit. In purchase, goods are coming. Okay. Next one is to sales account. When goods are going out, it will be considered as sales account. I think this much is clear. Now, sometime it's also happened that goods are going out, goods are reduced, but not because of sales. So when it is not because of sales, we will not open the sales account. So what we will do, a very simple thing that we have to learn, that when goods are going out, when goods are reduced, not because of sale, how the treatment will be. So let's proceed for the first one, and that is the drawing of goods. Now what is the meaning of drawing? That you are knowing. When proprietor take out the goods cash from the business for personal use, that is considered as drawing. Sometime proprietor withdraw the cash. Proprietor withdraw the cash for personal use. So when proprietor withdraw the cash for personal use, what account we will open, beta? See this. We will open drawing account debit. Why so? Drawing is what? Drawing is personal account. In the personal account, proprietor will receive. And what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So here proprietor is receiving. So here drawing is representative personal account. The rule will be implemented, debit the receiver. So drawing account will be debit. And when proprietor withdraw the cash, what thing is going out? Cash. And the rule is what? Debit what's come in and credit what's goes out. So what thing is going out? Cash is going out. So to cash account. But sometime proprietor withdraw the goods for personal use. Like suppose proprietor have the furniture shop and proprietor take out some furniture for home for personal use. Then it is what? It is drawing of goods. So here you can see beta, goods are decreasing. But is goods are decreasing because of sales? No. Because sales doesn't take place in this particular transaction. Proprietor withdraw the goods. So when sales are not there, what we will do? We will decrease our purchase. And why so? For reducing or removing anything, we have to pass the opposite entry. What we have to pass? Opposite entry. So when we purchase the goods, which account we debit beta? Purchase account debit. So when goods are reduced, we have to decrease whatever we purchase. And how we can decrease? By passing the opposite entry. So drawing account debit because proprietors are receiving the goods. So debit the receiver, drawing account debit. And to purchase because we are reducing the purchase. Our purchase reduce. Like suppose you purchase goods of 100 quantity. Now proprietor withdraw 10. So now how much remaining purchase is there? 90. If this 10 is sold, then we will open sales account. But it is not sales. So what we have to do? We have to decrease our purchase. And when we decrease our purchase beta, it will be purchase debit to purchase credit. For reducing, always remember, for reducing anything, we just have to pass the opposite entry. So when we purchase the goods, purchase account was debit. And when we reduce the purchase, purchase will be debit to credit. So it will be to purchase account. So final entry is what? That drawing account will be debit because proprietor received the goods, debit the receiver. And when purchase reduce, purchase will be debit to purchase credit to purchase account. Now second one, goods given away as a charity. What is the meaning of charity? Donation. And this will act as an expense for us. And you're knowing beta, charity means suppose any orphan's house is there, we distributed the goods to them. Okay, any old age home is there, we distributed the goods to them. We donate some goods to the schools, hospital, anyone. So we are doing the charity, and in that, what thing is there? Our goods decrease. By when we give the goods, our goods will decrease. So it will be what beta? Charity will be considered as expense, and all the expenses are debit. And what thing is decreased beta? Our purchase, our goods, and our goods decrease not because of sales. So what we have to do? We have to decrease our purchase. And how we can decrease the purchase? By making opposite. So it will be to purchase account. Next one is distributed goods as free sample. Okay, sometimes you are seeing that so many companies are giving the goods to as a free sample. If you remember, so in the last session, Dettol hand wash had been given to each and every student, two Dettol hand wash, three Dettol, 3 or 4 Dettol hand wash to each and every student at free of cost. It is what distributed the sample as free. So that is actually what, that is advertisement, and advertisement is expense for the business, and all expenses are debit. All expenses are debit. And what thing these expenses decrease? Our goods. And when goods decrease, it will be to purchase account. When goods decrease, not because of sell. Okay, remember this one also. Fourth one, when goods are used for making an assets. Understand this. Suppose I have a iron shop and I have to make a machine. I have to make a machine. In machine, some iron is required. So instead of purchasing from somewhere else, what I'm doing, I'm utilizing my iron for making the machine. So iron is my goods because I'm dealing in iron, and I'm making one machine. In that machine, I'm utilizing my iron. So that is what we utilize our goods for making an assets. Machine is our assets. You understand this, like suppose I have a furniture shop. So for making furniture, raw material is what? Wood. So I have wood, and I have to make suppose a rack for business. I have to make a particular any particular assets for the business in which wood is required. So I utilize my wood for making that assets. So what thing is coming? What thing is manufactured? Assets. So assets increase, and assets is always debit. So assets account debit. But what thing is going out? Our purchase. What thing is going out, beta? Our purchase. So it will be to purchase account because my goods decrease. Okay, so let's revise this 4 transaction one more time. Drawing of goods is clear to you. Drawing of goods is clear to you. That drawing, the proprietor is receiving the goods, that's why it will be debit, and our goods is going out. That's why it will be to purchase account, because it is not because of sell. So we decrease our purchase. Purchase is always debit, and for decreasing purchase, it will be to purchase account. When goods given as a charity. So charity is expense for business. So all expenses are debit. That's why charity account will be debit. And what thing is decrease? Our purchase. So to purchase account. Okay, to purchase account. Next, goods distributed as a free sample. When goods distributed as a free sample, it will be advertisement, and all advertisement is known as expense for business, and all the expenses are debit. So advertisement account debit. And what thing decrease? To purchase. What thing decrease? To purchase. Okay, because our goods decrease not because of sell, so we have to decrease our purchase. And how purchase can be decreased? By making opposite entry. So purchase was debit. To reduce the purchase, we make it to purchase account. Fourth one is goods used for making an assets. So beta, goods used for making an assets are very simple. I explained right now. When we are utilizing our goods for making any assets, our assets increase. So assets account debit. But what thing decrease? Our purchase. So it will be to purchase account, because purchase decrease, purchase reduce. So to purchase account. So the next one is okay. So next one is goods lost by fire. So beta, you see here when goods are lost by fire, it is actually what? It is our what? Losses. Our good lost by fire. So all the losses are debited. Nominal account rule is saying what? All the losses will be debit. So loss by fire account debit. And what thing is decrease? What thing is decrease? Our goods. So it will be to purchase account. And next, goods lost by theft. And sometimes goods are stolen by any particular person. So it will be lost by theft account debit to purchase account. Loss by theft account debit to purchase account. So loss by theft is again, it is a loss, nominal account, and rule is saying that all the losses are debit. Our goods are decreased, so it will be to purchase account. Next one is insurance entry. Sometimes goods are insured. And when goods are insured and any particular loss has happened with the goods, how the recovery of insurance from the insurance company, what journal entry will be there, we will learn that also. Okay, so let's proceed for the same. So beta, first entry with the insurance will be very simple. First you have to do the entry with insurance. Okay, so suppose I'm just taking one situation, and the situation beta, now very important, insurance entries. Sometimes our goods are lost by fire, lost by theft, or any particular loss. So there are two situations in the case of loss. Number one situation may be that our goods are not insured. Our goods are not insured. And maybe that our goods are insured. These two possible situations can be. So first we will discuss the first thing, when losses are there and goods are not insured. So suppose goods are lost by fire. Goods are lost by fire. So what entry we will do on the time of loss by fire? Simple, loss by fire account debit to purchase account. Now our goods are not insured. So when any insurance is not there, beta, whatever the loss by fire is there, it is our total loss. And all the losses are transferring profit and loss account debit. So profit and loss account debit, total loss, all the losses are debit. And when we transfer in profit and loss, we have to close this account. And how we can close? I told you, by passing the simple opposite entry to loss by fire. Okay. Now, one more entry you have to pass. Sometimes the goods are insured. An insurance company may be paid full claim, may be admitted full claim, may be admitted partial claim. Like suppose I'm just taking one question for the same, and that will be more clear to you. This one, when goods are insured. Suppose one particular question is there. Loss by fire. Goods are lost by fire 10,000. Clear? Up suppose no claim, no insurance is there. Then goods lost by fire, what will be there? Loss by fire account debit 10,000 to purchase account 10,000. And after that entry will be total loss, profit and loss account debit 10,000 to loss by fire 10,000. But in this particular question, goods are lost by fire and there's a claim. There's a claim of how much, beta? There's a claim of insurance company, and the insurance company admitted 40% claim. It means insurance company is not paying full 10,000. Insurance company is only paying 40%. Then how the entry will be there? You see very carefully. चलो जी बच्चों देखो भाई, First entry, loss by fire account debit. How much? 10,000. To purchase account. How much? 10,000. Second, now insurance company admitted how much claim beta? 40%. So insurance company account debit 10,000, 10,000 40% will be how much? 4,000. Ab sir, why you debited the insurance company? It is very simple. Why I debited the insurance company? I debited the insurance company because it is a future receipt. Insurance company had not given the amount. Insurance company admitted the claim, and insurance company will pay the amount in future. So when insurance company will pay the amount in the future, it is our future receipt, and all future receipt will be considered as an assets. That's why it will be considered as debit. Now, how much amount you received? That is not there in this question, but you will receive 4,000. And now it is clear that how much amount insurance company will not pay. The insurance company will not pay 6,000, and that is what? That is my loss, and all the losses are debit. So profit and loss account debit 6,000. And 2, now we will close this loss by fire because everything is now settled. So pass the opposite entry to close. Loss by fire account 10,000. Chalo ji, let's revise this one more entry, and after that we will go for one question. So when goods are lost by fire, lost by theft, anything happened with the goods, there are two possible situations: that goods are insured or goods are not insured. Okay, so when goods are not insured, total loss will be transferred in profit and loss account as a loss. So we will open profit and loss account debit as a loss, all the losses are debit, and we will close the loss by fire account. So loss by fire account was debit on the time of opening, now it will be closed, and we pass the opposite entry to close that. Sometimes goods are insured, and when goods are insured beta, insurance company will admit some claim. Maybe insurance company can admit full claim, maybe insurance company will not admit full claim. Instead of that, insurance company will admit partial claim. Like goods are lost by fire 10,000 and insurance company admitted 40% claim. So when goods are lost by fire, insurance company admitted 40% claim, the first entry we have to pass for loss by fire. Loss by fire is loss, that's why loss by fire account debit 10,000. What thing reduce? Our goods, because our goods are destroyed by fire. So how we can reduce the goods? By making purchase opposite to purchase account 10,000. Now insurance company admitted the claim. Insurance company not paid the claim. Insurance company admitted the claim, and it is our future receipt. And all future receipt will be considered as assets. And all assets are debit. That's why insurance company account debit. How much amount not received? 6,000. So it will be profit and loss account debit 6,000 rupees. And after that, it will be to loss by fire account 10,000. To loss by fire account debit 10,000. Getting my point? So to loss by fire account debit 10,000, we have to close this loss by fire account because insurance company admitted the claim and we transfer not admitted amount in the profit and loss. So we have to cover this, we have to close this loss by fire account. So this much for the entry. Now we will proceed for the next topic. We will solve the question on the basis of this special transactions. So let me clear this canvas. Okay. Now let me insert the question. Just give me a minute. Let me check. I think this one. Yeah. चलो जी फटाफट we will do that. The first one. The first one. Goods worth rupees 2000 were distributed as free sample. So beta free sample, it means advertisement. So first entry, advertisement account debit 2000. 2. What thing decrease? Purchase. Goods are going out but without sell. So 2 purchase account 2000. Transaction number 2. Goods are given as a charity. Goods worth rupees 1000 and cash 500 were given as a charity. Because goods and cash both are given as a charity. So charity is our expense. So charity account debit. How much better? Ab total charity we had given 1000 plus 500. Total is how much better? 1500. And out of 1500 how much goods reduce? So to purchase account goods are reduced worth rupees 1000. And how much cash we had given? How much cash is going out? 500. So to cash account how much? 500. Transaction number 3. Goods worth rupees 2000 were stolen by an employee. So goods are lost by theft. So we can open loss by theft account debit. How much? 2000. And how much goods are going out? So to purchase account how much beta? 2000. Transaction number 4. Transaction number 4 is actually goods worth rupees 8000 were destroyed by fire and it was fully insured. Okay, it was fully insured. So the fourth one, goods worth rupees 8000 were destroyed by fire. So first we will pass the entry for loss by fire. So loss by fire account debit 8000 to purchase account. What thing is decreased? Our purchase. Now better. In the fourth one we will pass the second entry also. Second entry for what? Second entry for insurance. And you see in this question it is said that insurance company it was fully insured. So insurance company admitted full claim. There is no profit. There is no loss. So it will be insurance company account debit full insurance 8000. And now we will close when insurance company admitted. Then we will close this loss to loss by fire account 8000. Now better. Fifth one. You see, it is there. Goods damaged by fire 2000 and insurance company admitted a claim of 1500. I will scroll the question for you. Don't worry. Okay. So now you can see the question. So fifth one is goods damaged by fire 2000. So first we pass the entry for first, then we pass the entry for this one. Goods damaged by fire. So loss by fire account debit. How much? 2000. Our purchase will decrease. So to purchase account 2000. Now insurance company admitted a claim of 1500. How much insurance company admitted beta? Insurance company account debit. Insurance company admitted a claim of 1500. And how much loss we have to bear? 500. Goods lost by fire is 2000. Insurance company admitted a claim of 1500. So how much loss we have? 500. So all the losses are debit. So profit and loss account debit 500. 2, we have to close this account. 2 loss by fire account. Okay, now sixth one. Sixth one is very simple. What is this? Withdraw cash 500 and goods worth 1000 for domestic use, means for personal use. So personal use will be treated as a drawing. So drawing account debit. Total drawing is 1000 plus 500. Total is beta 1500. And out of 1500, how much cash withdraw? To cash account. Cash is going out. Debit what's coming. Credit what's goes out. 500. And how much goods goes out? Worth rupees 1000. So to purchase account worth rupees 1000. And now the seventh and last one. Use cement worth rupees 10,000 during construction of office cycle set. Chalo, you try it. You all guys try it and write down the answer in the comment box. Use cement worth rupees 10,000 during construction of office cycle set. Office cycle set will be considered as a building. So we have assets of building. So building account debit. Okay. It will be how much beta? 10,000. 2. Up here there is a confusion. I'm just assuming both, because maybe the question cutted and it will be scanned, and it is in the question, it is there that it is nothing is given. The use cement worth rupees 10,000 during construction of office cycle set. If the person is dealing with the cement business, then it will be to purchase account, because the person is using the goods for making the office cycle set. So 10,000 rupees. So this much for this particular entry. Okay. So beta, you will pass all the entry. I hope this particular question is clear to you. If any problem is there with this anything, you just ask. Insurance, that insurance I will explain by myself. No issue. Loss by fire account 8,000. Our goods are destroyed by 8,000, and that is fully insured. So insurance company admitted full claim. So there is no profit and loss. But in second question, goods are destroyed by fire 2,000. But insurance company admitted only the claim of 1,500. So how much loss we have? 500. So all the losses are debit. So insurance company claim admitted 1,500, loss 500, and that will be transferred to loss by fire, total 2,000 rupees. So by this way we will solve this type of question. So this is all about. Now we will discuss how to pass journal entries related with the banking transactions. So I'm just sharing a sheet with you. In that already the possible banking transactions are there, and you will learn from there. Okay, that will save your time, and it will a ready-made sheet for you guys. So just give me a minute. Yeah, here it is. We will learn each and every transaction. Okay, so whenever any check is received from someone, I think it is visible. If it is not, it is now. It is now better. So whenever any particular check is received from someone, then check and deposited in bank on the same day. You have to be very careful about this word, on the same day. Then bank account debit, because bank is receiving the check, and who is giving the check? X. So 2x. When any check and draft received from any particular customer, like suppose Ram is there, and not deposited on the bank on the same day, so we will open the account check in hand. We receive the check. So debit what's come in. So check in hand account debit to Ram. So now what thing is very important, beta? If check is deposited on the same day, then we will open bank account. But if check is not deposited on the same day, we will open check in hand account. Clear? Up suppose check and draft received on any particular date and not deposited. Now it is going to deposit. Then who is receiving the check? Bank. So debit the receiver. And what thing is going out from the business? Check in hand. So debit what's coming, credit what goes out. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose I receive a check on July 7 worth rupees 5,000 from Shyam. Okay, July 7 worth rupees 5,000 from Shyam. Now you see that when we received the check on July 7 worth rupees 5,000 from Shyam, not deposited on the same day. It is deposited on July 12. So what entry we will pass on July 7? Beta, check is coming in the business but not deposited in bank. So we will open check in hand account debit 5,000. And who is giving the check? Shyam. So to Shyam 5,000. But when on July 12, when we are depositing this check in bank, so who is receiving the check? Bank. So bank account debit 5,000. And what thing is going out? The check what we kept with us, that will be deposited in bank. So what thing is going out? Check is going out. So debit what's coming, credit what's goes out. So to check in hand account 5,000. Okay, so this is the transaction of this one. These all are very important transactions we will discuss. Let me clear this. Just a minute. Okay, beta. So transaction number 11. When we deposit any check in bank and that is dishonored. So beta, dishonored is what? Dishonored means cancellation. Cancellation of check. And how we can cancel anything? I told you, by passing opposite entry. So you see, when we receive check from X, then what entry we will pass? Bank account debit to X. Bank is receiving the check, bank account debit. Who is given the check? X. But when it dishonored, we just simply pass the opposite entry. X debit to bank to close the entry. Okay, so that's why here when check is dishonored, so when we check received from Ram, again Ram become debtors, again Ram become future receipt, and to bank. Check deposit directly in our bank account by the customer. So simple, our bank is receiving the amount, so bank account debit, and who is giving the amount? Any customer. So to Y. Now, check received from a customer and discount allowed in deposit in the bank on same day. So beta, bank is receiving, so bank account debit. We are giving discount, so it is a loss for us, so it will be debit. And who had given the check? Any customer. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. So 2x will be credited. If check received from customer is dishonored, so when it is dishonored, I told you dishonored means cancelling the check. And how we can cancel? By just passing the opposite entry. So bank debit, discount allowed debit will be credit, and X is credit, it will be debit. So always remember how to dishonor, how to pass the entry of dishonor, how to cancel anything, just pass the opposite entry. So when we receive the check and give the discount, we pass the entry bank account debit, discount allowed account debit to X. And when it is dishonored, we have to simply close this. We have to simply cancel the transaction. And how we can cancel the transaction? By simply passing the opposite one. Interest allowed by bank. So when interest allowed by bank, beta, interest is what? Our income. So to interest account. Okay, all the incomes are credited. And who had given bank account debit, because in our bank it will also increase. For example, suppose you had deposited 200 rupees. You deposited 200 rupees. And when you deposit 200 rupees, you receive 10 rupees as interest. So in your account it will be 210. So 10 rupees increase, it will be debit. And you receive the interest, that's why it is your income, and all the incomes are credit. Interest charged by bank. So when simple explanation is there, and why interest account is debit? Simple, because interest is our expense this time. All the expenses are debit, and our bank balance will decrease because bank will deduct the amount. So when our property decrease, it will be to bank. Dividend collected by bank on behalf of us. So beta, our bank will increase. So when bank will increase, bank will be debit, because bank is our assets. All the assets increase, assets will be debit. And we receive the dividend, that's why dividend is our income. And all incomes are what? Credit. Bank loan taken. So when we receive the bank loan, we receive the amount. Debit what's coming. In our bank account, amount is coming. Suppose I take it 500 rupees as a loan. So that 500 will be transferred in my account. Debit what's coming. Bank account, debit. And this 500 rupees I have to pay in future. This 500 rupees I have to pay in future. This is my future payment. And all future payment is known as liability. Okay, all future payment is known as liability, and all liabilities are credit. That's why bank loan will be credit. And when we paid the bank loan, so our liability will over. And how to close the liability? By passing opposite debit. That's why bank loan will be debit. And when we are paying something, debit what's coming, credit what's goes out, our property will decrease. Our bank balance will decrease. And bank is what beta? Bank is simple assets. Assets is what beta? Debit. But when assets will decrease, it will be opposite what? Credit. Okay. So this much for today. Rest transactions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.